Welcome back everyone to this quick guide video. In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you delete the Messenger account. If you don't want the account of Messenger and along with the data as well, let me show you the quick process of deleting it. Now, because Messenger is a feature of Facebook, in order to delete your Messenger, you'll need to delete your entire Facebook. If you just uninstall the app of Messenger, it would not delete your account. So make sure that this process will not only delete your Messenger, but will delete your entire Facebook. So once you're inside of the Messenger app, head over to the menu on the bottom right, tap on settings and scroll down and head over to Account Center. From Account Center, head over to Personal Details, and then right here you'll see the option called Account Ownership and Control. Through this section, you'll see deactivation or deletion. Make sure you select the account that you're trying to delete, and then select the delete account option. If you don't want to do a permanent deletion, you can also choose the option of deactivation. Now before you do, you'll need to select a reason why you're trying to delete your account. Just select the reason that you want and then tap on continue. Now depending upon what reason you selected, you may get different options, but for the most part you just need to scroll down and then tap on the continue option. Lastly, in order to delete your account, you'll need to type in the password of your Facebook account and then tap on continue. As soon as you do that, your account of Facebook will be removed and will be logged out. But that does not mean your account has been immediately deleted. You do have a grace period of 30 days, means within these 30 days, you can again log in back to your account and your account will be reactivated. But if you don't reactivate, which means log in back to your account, within these 30 days, your account will be deleted. So that's the exact process that you can follow in order to delete your Messenger account. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.